Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to give the answer of 1.4 Revati's musical plants from 8th standard English Balbharti. Before starting a video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it and press bell icon for future updates. So let's begin with a warming up exercise. First one is, can you name the famous musician in Emperor Akbar's court who could perform miracles when he sang different ragas? Answer, Mia Tansen was the famous musician in Emperor Akbar's court who could perform miracles when he sang different ragas. Second, what miracles could he perform with his music? Legends say that Mia Tansen could perform the following miracles with his music. First one, he could light all the diyas of Emperor Akbar's palace by singing the raga Deepak. Second, he could make it rain by singing the raga Megh Malhar. Third point, he could communicate with animals through his music. Next one, what impact does music have on human beings? Answer, music has the following impact on human beings. First one, it reduces stress and tension. Next, helps people recover faster after an operation. Reduces the anxiety of elderly people. It is found to change the emotion and comfort teenagers when they are tense. It relaxes people suffering from mental illnesses. Last one, do you think music can have an impact on animals, birds, and even plants? Answer, yes, music does have an impact on animals, birds, and even plants. Music encourages plants' growth depending on the type of music that played. Melodious sound have shown to soothe animals that are frightened. Next question is, say whether the following sentences are affirmative or negative ones. First one, we must avoid hurting others. Affirmative sentence. Second, she didn't offer me any help. Negative sentence. Third, never give up hopes. Negative sentence. Fourth one, you must keep away from bad company. Affirmative sentence. There is nothing in the bag. Negative sentence. Then entry is prohibited without permission. Affirmative sentences. Now let's solve the question answer from chapter. On the right hand side you can see the word meaning. Word meanings are already given on right hand side and left hand side, so you can copy down from here. So let's begin with the question. Why did Revati change the pot's location? Answer is there on the opposite side. I have marked with a red pen. She had learnt in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard where there was ample sunlight. Next one is, name the favorite raga of Revati. Favorite raga of Revati was Mohanam. Next one, what strange thing did Revati notice about the potted plants? Answer is here. The strange thing that Revati noticed about the potted plants was that even though there was no breeze, the plants were moving their stems, bending slightly towards her while she was playing on her violin. Next, how did Revati confirm her new discovery? Answer is there on the screen. You can copy down from here. Next, how did Revati plan to convince the organizers that plants were hers? Next, why did the organizers refuse to believe that Revati's plants were music lovers? Next, why had no one suspected that neighbor had stolen the plants? Because the neighbor was a regular competitor in the contest. Next, what is the happy end? Now students, we are going to solve the question answer from workshop. So first one is, read the story and complete the following. At first, Revati's plant did not look normal and healthy because they had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted. Next, when Revati played her favorite raga, The plants began to move because they liked listening to the tune which she was playing on her violin. Next, Revati's grief knew no bounds because she could not find her pot of balsam plants. Next, Revati was confident of proving her ownership of her pot of plants because she knew that her plants loved music and would respond to her favorite raga. Next, Revati won the prize for the best plant because her plants were the best looking and healthiest. Next, question number 2, answer in your own words. First one is, what did Revati discover about her balsam plants? Second, why did she decide to keep her new knowledge a secret? C1, how did plants respond when Revati played her favorite tune? Next, how did the plants react to the fast rhythmic music? Even, how did Revati prove to the organizers of the competition that the plants truly belong to her? First one, what helped Revati to claim her plants, her belief in magic or the belief in the conviction? Explain your choice. See the question number third. A. Complete the word chain adding four nouns from the text. तो फर्स्ट दिया है म्यूजिक, देन कोर्टयार्ड, डेज, सरप्राइज, इवनिंग एंड ग्रीफ. B1, add the appropriate prefix to make the following word opposite in meaning. तो हमको prefix लगा के उसका opposite लिखना है word का. जैसे continue है तो उसका discontinue, possible impossible, certain uncertain, definite indefinite. तो ऐसा आपको पूरा complete करना है. Now see the next one. Use the following expressions to make sentence of your own. तो first one है make up one's mind. One should think carefully before one make up one's mind about everything important. Second, flash across one's mind. When Sonam saw the tear in Dia's eyes, it flashed across her mind that there was some problems. Third one, struck as odd. My friend's continuous laughter on seeing her marks struck me as odd. Next one is to surmise. When the teacher saw Nia crying, she surmised that she had fallen in the test. Knew no bounds. My joy knew no bounds when I saw the little puppy on my bed. Last one, not to deter. The hardship of life did not deter her from achieving the goal. Next, see the question number 4. Imagine there is a best plant competition in the locality or colony where you live. Frame a notice about the same in the form of an attractive poster. Cover the following points. Name of the organization, second name of the contest, day, date, venue, who can participate, prizes, contact details for further inquiry. See the fifth one, types of sentences are given. First one is assertive or declarative, second interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and interrogative sentence. So in question state the kinds of the following sentences. First one is how happily she played the violin. Answer is exclamatory sentence. Second one is the all bent towards her. Assertive sentence. Third one, don't play the quick tune. Imperative sentence. Fourth one, she kept the knowledge a secret. Declarative sentence. How can plants enjoy music? Interrogative sentence. How proudly did Revati carry home her prize? Exclamatory sentence. Next one, what could have taken my plants? Interrogative sentence. Next, last one, the organizers were not convinced. Answer declarative sentence. Question number 6. Make the following negative using the negative words given. In the brackets, words are given. You have to change accordingly. Answer. There were not many potted plants in the courtyard. Second, the other plants did not look as healthy as they did. Third one, she would not share her secret with us. Fourth one, she did not fail to go around asking everyone about her plants. Next, question number 7. Make the following affirmatives using the word given. First one is there was hardly breeze. Their ridicule failed to deter her. Third one, her mother denied about it. Fourth one, she refused to give up. Last question, question number 8. Imagine that Revati's father is abroad on business and she wishes to convey the news of her prize winning plans. Draft an email for the above subject. Use an email format.